Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Chinese company that seized 3 aircraft of Nigeria has gone ahead to put Nigeria's building in UK out for sale to recover the $70 million that was awarded to it by the Court of Arbitration as an indication that the embarrassment that the All Progressive Congress administration has brought to this country has continued unabated. And it is an indication of how Nigeria is carrying its rascality of violation of rule of law to the international stage. The things that Nigerian government do within the territory, they cannot do it internationally without consequences. That is what the Chinese company and the Chinese government is teaching Nigeria right now. And China is using this opportunity to show that they have scant regard for Nigeria. Do not be fooled. The Chinese government is fully aware of what this company is doing. And I believe strongly that the Chinese government is backing them to squeeze out every dollar out of Nigeria, so that Nigeria will know that what it does domestically, it cannot do it internationally and get away with it. You can see the Chinese matter, which we'll get back to very soon. But let us look at how Nigeria treats judgment debts within the country. The Nigerian government treats judgment debts with disdain. And that is how they treated this Chinese company, and this Chinese company wanted to teach Nigeria a lesson. For instance, many of you may not be aware, but Nigeria has a total judgment debt as at 2023 October. Nigeria has a total judgment debt of 226 billion naira. That's 226 billion naira judgment debt against federal government of Nigeria. That's in naira. In dollars, Nigeria has a total of $556 million judgment debt. In dollars, Nigeria has a total of 556 million judgment debt. In pound sterling, Nigeria has a total of 398,526 pounds sterling in debt, judgment debt. What are these debts for? These are debts that are obligatory for Nigeria, that a courts have ordered against Nigeria for violation, contractual violation, violation of human rights, so many things that officials of government treat lackadaisically as if it doesn't matter. People have taken them to court. Organizations, companies, at home and abroad, have taken them to court, and they have obtained judgment against Nigeria. Now, this matter came to the fore in October 2023, when the House of Representatives, as in noticing that this money is getting higher and higher, passed a resolution that federal government of Nigeria should print promissory notes to be able to pay these debts. Nothing, I don't think anything reasonable came out of that resolution, because the resolution was sequel to the adoption of a motion by the lawmaker representing Surulere Federal Constituency, Mr. Larry Okunlola. That resolution, I don't think anything came out from it. Now you may be wondering, what is judgment debt? It's all about judgment that has been entered against federal government of Nigeria. For example, you heard recently some of the victims of the NSAS protests. A federal high court, or is it ECOWAS court, one of the courts awarded them 20 million naira each. I can tell you that Nigerian government do not even have any regard that they will pay it. That's how these debts are all over the place, because the government of Nigeria has no regard, or have scant regard, for rule of law. So these monies are piling up everywhere. But what they can get away with in Nigeria, they can't get away with it when it comes to outside. And that was what the Chinese company is doing to Nigeria now. And of course, you know that this Chinese company, following its recent success in securing an order from the French court to confiscate Nigerian properties over a breach of a contractual agreement by the Ogun State of Nigeria, the Chinese company has moved to take over Nigeria's asset anywhere I can see it. So these guys are looking for Nigerian property anywhere they can get it. In Europe, North America, anywhere, so that they can collect their $70 million from a 2021 arbitration verdict. And the Chinese company is desperate to recover the $70 million. So, beyond the 3 aircraft they confiscated and had mercy on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and released one for him so that he can be able to travel to France. These people are looking for Nigeria's property. And now the media is awash that they have taken over 2 residential properties of Nigeria in UK and put it online for sale. They put it online at eBay for $2.2 million. That is how we have reduced ourselves as a nation, because we don't want to do the right thing. So beyond seizing the 3 aircraft, these people have also seized 2 buildings and put them on eBay for sale. How did we get this low? We get this low because the all progressive government believe that they are wiser than Solomon. When they came to power in 2015, they think that they can do anything they like. They believe that they are wiser than the PDP that had run the country for 16 years. And they were disregarding whatever they met on the ground. But they have met their Waterloo on this Chinese company that is ready to squeeze out every dollar until they get their $70 million arbitration. They have taken over 2 buildings in Nigeria, 2 buildings of Nigeria, in UK. And if you think that the Chinese government is not aware of what is going on, that this is just a problem between the company and the federal government of Nigeria, then you don't understand how China works. The Chinese government is waiting on the sideline to ensure that all these $70 million arbitration awarded to them are paid, that they are completely paid. China is not like other Western countries that their companies are oftentimes different from the government, but there are Chinese government interest in all the multinational companies of China that are operating. And in any case, the Chinese company is sued federal government of Nigeria because of a bilateral agreement between the government of China and the government of Nigeria in 2001. That was the basis of their going to the court of arbitration. That federal government of Nigeria was watching and did nothing to prevent the violation of the agreement they entered with a subnational authority in Nigeria, that's Ogun State government. Therefore, federal government of Nigeria is liable for the action and the inaction of Ogun State government. That is what the Chinese are saying, and the court of arbitration agreed with them. No matter how you can spin it, but that is the reality of today. That the APC administration has scant regard for rule of law. Look at the humongous amount of money, judgment debt they are owing. Have they made any effort to pay? You may not understand what I'm saying. There are many Nigerians who were unjustly detained by the Nigerian police, unjustly detained by several other security agencies. Those people went to court, and court awarded them judgment against Nigeria for lawful detainment, for torture, and say, pay this person, federal government must pay so and so damages, compensation to so and so person, 100 million naira, 50 million naira, 20 million naira, 1 million naira. Government of Nigeria oftentimes do not pay, and they have been getting away with it. And here in Nigeria, what can you do if government of Nigeria is owing you judgment debt? You can't do anything. There's nothing, no court will help you. You can't seize any assets because this is inside Nigeria. But when you go to abroad, go to the court of arbitration. That rascality at home, they can't extend it outside Nigeria. That is the lesson that the Chinese government is teaching Nigeria right now. To do the right thing, always, whether within Nigeria or outside Nigeria. Nigerian government can control the judiciary and what is happening here, but they cannot control the court of arbitration in UK, in United States, and all over Europe, where the Chinese are squeezing out these dollars out of Nigeria to pay for 70 million arbitration awarded to them. That's a lesson for Nigerian leaders, especially the APC administration, to follow the rule of law, whether here in Nigeria or internationally. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, Anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.